Hi my dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I did this sun-kissed and snatched summer glow, summer glam makeup look in under, I don't even know, 5 minutes maybe. I just used a bronzer and 4 freckles and a nude lip combo. No foundation whatsoever, and yeah, created this gorgeous, beautiful look for you guys. Alright guys, so now let's get started. So before we get started, I want to talk about this summer lightweight moisturizer. So here it is. Finding the right moisturizer can be so tricky, guys. Some feel too heavy while others feel like they don't hydrate enough. And that's exactly why I switched to mamaearth Aloe Light Gel Moisturizer. It's packed with the goodness of aloe vera and powered by hyaluronic acid. So it gives 6 times more hydration than the regular aloe vera gel without making it feel greasy or heavy. It's lightweight, it's quick absorbing, and it's perfect for all skin types, whether you have dry, oily, or combination skin. Aloe vera soothes and calms the skin, and hyaluronic acid deeply hydrates your skin, keeping your skin soft, fresh, and plump all day long. And the best part, it's free from mineral oils, parabens, and silicones, and it's just pure skin-loving hydration. Now let's put it in the water breaker test. I'm taking a glass of water and adding a little bit of mamaearth Aloe Light Gel Moisturizer to it. Notice how it settles at the bottom instead of floating on top. That's because it retains water, showing just how deeply it hydrates and locks in moisture. Regular aloe gel just sits on the skin surface, leaving it with a sticky feel, but this one absorbs beautifully for a long-lasting hydration. Plus, there's a whole range to choose from. There's beetroot hydrofull, rice dewy bright, vitamin C daily glow, and aloe refresh hydrating. So you can pick the one that suits your skin the best. And here's a little something for you. Get 20% off on mamaearth's website and app using my coupon code SUSH2025. And you already probably know that mamaearth is available on Amazon, Flipkart, and Nykaa, but now they're also in stores near you. Guys, so now let's get started with the video. So I'm going to take this Pixie Rose Glow Mist, and I'm going to for my eyebrows, I'm going to take this Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil. I'm just going to fill in my brows, and I'm going to take this Benefit Gimme Brow, and I'm going to brush it in my eyebrows. So I am not going to use any foundation today. It feels very heavy on my skin. So I'm just going to take my concealer. I'm going to take this one, which is the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Concealer. This is in the shade Praline. Just need a little bit of this concealer, and I'm gonna blend it with my finger. I love blending the concealer with my finger because I feel like the warmth of my finger just melts the product really nicely. How easily the concealer blends. I'm just gonna use the bronzer. This is from Benefit. It's the Hoola bronzer, and I'm just gonna use it on my skin and also use it on the cheeks, just for that blush effect. You have to go somewhere, you have to be somewhere, and you don't want to put in, too much effort, yet you want to look like a sun-kissed diva, then this is your tutorial. And of course on my jawline, and just a little bit on my nose, just for that snatched look. What amount of bronzer is too much bronzer? I'm adding loads on my eyelids, just to give it kind of like an eyeshadow effect. I'm also going to set my concealer with a powder, so I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Banana Bread. Take a little bit, apply it under my eyes. Let's pick up this Rare Beauty highlighter in the shade Flaunt. I'm going to put it at the back of my hand, just like that. Apply it on my cheeks, like the cheekbone, for that beautiful sun-kissed glow. I love the highlighter. It looks so natural. Also on my nose, a little bit on my chin, middle of my forehead, brow bone area, and just a little bit on my eyelids, just the center. I'm going to take this mamaearth brown kajal. I'm just going to apply it on my lash line. I'm not going to wing it out, and I'm also going to just smudge it a little bit, and also my lower lash line. Now I am going to add some freckles. So I'm just going to do dots on my nose, and then just blend on my cheek area, just a little bit Like it's still there, but it's hardly showing, something like that. And the mascara I'm gonna apply is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Just one single coat. And last but not the least, just lipstick. I'm gonna use this Florence by Mills lip liner, and this is in the shade Confident. Beautiful, pretty nude shade. Next, I'm gonna use this Huda Beauty lipstick. This is in the shade Trendsetter. This too is a beautiful brown. And okay, so our look is complete. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. This is a very pretty, like a diva kind of look. No foundation, no blush, just a little bit of concealer, bronzer and highlighter, and that is all that you need for this tutorial. Let me know in the comment section what other looks you want me to try next, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.